Hey everyone, welcome back again. So guys, in this video, you will learn how you can send subscription expiry alerts to your customers on WhatsApp automatically. So guys, this automation that I'm about to set up can be used for any business who is running on subscription based revenue model. And here you can send automatic alerts to your customer as and when their subscription is getting expired for any service they're taking from you. Okay, so here let me show you on my screen. So guys, for this automation we have taken the example of a library membership subscription. So here we have a spreadsheet in which we have the details of the members and their expiry dates. So our automation is going to check this sheet every day and see if there is any customer, any member whose expiry date is coming, and one day before that expiry date a alert message on WhatsApp will get automatically delivered telling the member that your subscription is getting expired on this date, so you should renew it. Okay, so it will save your time in manually checking the expiry dates and manually sending the messages, and it will improve your productivity as well. So guys, we are using Pabbly Connect application to make this happen, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills very easily. So let's start setting up this automation together. So to set up this automation guys, first of all you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here you can use this link pabbly.com/connect. So we have pasted this same in the description as well. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow. For that, just click on this create workflow button, and here you have to give a suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as send subscription expiry alerts on WhatsApp. Alright, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. So guys, this is our workflow page, and here you can see we have this trigger and action here. So with the help of these two things we are going to build this automation. So the trigger here is that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case guys, the trigger would be any upcoming expiry date, and the action towards that trigger would be to send an alert message. Okay, so first of all what I'm going to do, I want that this workflow should check this spreadsheet every day. So this is a spreadsheet guys in which I have added the data of the people, their phone numbers, their addresses, and their subscription starting date and the expiry date of our library membership. So you can create such spreadsheet for any other business also. And here guys, my workflow is going to check this data and see if there is any person, any member whose expiry date is coming, and one day before this expiry date a alert message will be delivered. So first of all, to check this spreadsheet daily, I am going to schedule the running of workflow. For that, here I am going to use scheduler feature guys. Okay, so with the help of scheduler, I can make this workflow run at regular intervals of time. I can make this workflow run once in future, every day, on the days of any week, and any day of the month also. Okay, so we have many options here. So here I'm going to select every day because I want to make this workflow run every day and see this data. Okay, so here it is asking for the time, so you can also select the time on which you want to schedule to the running of workflow. So guys, my account's time zone is Asia Kolkata, so here I am going to put the time in Asia Kolkata or Indian Standard Time format. You have to put that time in your time zone. Okay, so you just have to put the time here like this. So let's say I want to make this workflow run on 9 a.m. daily. Okay, so I'm putting here 9 a.m. like this. Okay, now click on save, and you can see this workflow is scheduled to run every day at this time. This is the local time and this is the UTC or universally coordinated time. Okay, now guys, what I want that this workflow should run and check this spreadsheet. So for checking the spreadsheet, we need to connect this spreadsheet here in this actions tab. So from this actions tab, choose Google Sheets application. All right. And in the action event, guys, I'm going to use this get rows option. So it will retrieve the rows from the spreadsheet and bring the data here from my spreadsheet. Okay. So select this, then click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Sheets. Okay, and from here, from this window, you have to select that Google account by which you have created that sheet. Okay, so I'm selecting the Google account, and now you have to provide some additional access to Pabbly Connect. Just click on continue from here, and we'll be connected with our spreadsheet. Okay, so you can see the authorization is successful and we are now connected. And here it is asking to select the spreadsheet from this list. So when you click here, it will show you the list of all the spreadsheets that you have created. And my spreadsheet's name is this one, subscription reminder. So I'm going to select this one from here like this. Okay. And you can see the sheet's name got auto selected here because we have only one sheet named as due reminders. Okay. Now it is asking for the range of data that you have in your spreadsheet. So to find the range, guys, you just have to start selecting the data in your spreadsheet from the second row. Okay. And you have to start selecting this data like this. First select the whole row here, then start selecting down and select till the last row. So when you are done selecting the data, here in the name box you will see the range. Here it is showing A2:E8. This means we have the data starting from column A, row 2, and it is ending at column E, row number 8. Okay, this is our data range. So here you just can copy this range from here and you have to paste this range here in this range field like this. Okay, and then toggle this simple response button to off. Okay, and then click on save and send test request. So the data of your spreadsheet will be fetched here in this response. So we are toggling this button to off because we are going to use another feature of Pabbly after this step, and for that we need to toggle this off. Okay, so just click here and save and send test request. So when you capture the data by toggling this button to off, you will get the response result label here in which you will get the data in this array format. Okay, like this. So we have fetched this data in this format because we are going to use a feature of Pabbly here which is called iterator. So iterator will arrange this data in row by row format and it will make this workflow run row by row starting from this first row. Okay. So it will check the data for the first row, and if it finds that the expiry date of this person is coming, the message will be delivered. Then it will check second, then third, then fourth, and so on, and it will run up to the last row one by one. So this is the feature, this is the use of iterator. So just click here on this plus icon, and in this action step, search for iterator. Here it is selected. And here it is asking to choose the array. So guys, here you can see we have retrieved the data from our spreadsheet in this array format. Now we can use this response result label here. So just click here on this choose array field, and from this previous step, map this response result array. Now click on save and send test request. And now you can see, guys, in this response, we got the data here like this. So it is showing us the data of the first row that we have, first row of data that we have like this. Okay, demo name, demo number, and all other things, and the expiry date is here as well, right? So now what we want that whenever this expiry date of this customer is going to arrive, one day before that expiry date, alert message should be delivered. So to send the alert message one day before this date, we need to use some features here so that we can ensure the delivery of the alert message just one day prior to the expiry date. So for that to happen, I am clicking here on this plus icon, and here, guys, I'm going to use date time formatter feature of Pabbly Connect. Okay, and in the action event, guys, I'm going to use this modify current date option. So it will modify the current date. That means the date on which our workflow is running and checking the data. Okay, so click on connect here, and here it is asking for the format of the date. So from here, guys, I'm going to choose the dates format, and the date format will be like this, like the format we have used in this spreadsheet. So in this spreadsheet, I have put the dates here in this format. You can see we have date, month and year, DDMMYY. Okay, so here I'm going to choose the same format, DDMMYY. So our time zone is Asia Kolkata. You have to select your time zone. Okay, and here from this operation field I'm going to select add operation. Okay, and I'm going to add one day to this date, the current date. That means the date of running of the workflow. Okay, and we'll get the date one day after current date, and if that date matches with the expiration date, we are going to deliver an alert message today. So that will means that tomorrow is the subscription is expiring of any customer. Okay, so we will deliver the message today. So first of all, let's get the date of tomorrow. So here I've added add operation unit. I'm selecting days, and here in the value I'm going to put 1. Okay, and now click on save and send test request. So this is tomorrow's date. So if this date matches with the expiration date of any customer, the alert message will be delivered today only. Now to ensure that this date matches with any date, I'm going to use another feature. Just click here on this plus icon, and here with the help of filter option, I'm going to apply this condition that this date should match with the expiration date. Okay, so here you can see when I selected filter, it is asking to select the label. So here I'm going to select this label, guys, the date time label that I have got in the previous step. So just click here, and from this last date time formatters tab, map the date time label. Okay, then make the filter type equals to, and when this date matches with the expiration date, and we got the expiration date here from the spreadsheet, and we have arranged the data in this iterator step. So this is the expiration date label we got. So this date, that means the date of tomorrow, should matches with the expiration date, then only we want to deliver the message today. So in the value field, just click here, and from this iterator step, map the expiration date like this. Okay, now click on save and send test request, and here you can see it is showing us error, the condition is false. Okay, but the dates are actually the same, 14/7/2022, 14/7/2022, but it is showing the condition is false because you can see the format is like this, 14/7/2022. Here we have used dash dash option, dash dash format. Let me change this format again. From this previous step, where we have selected the date format, choose this date format, DD/MM/YYY. Okay, now click on save and send test request again. Now we got the exact same format, and let me select this format here again. Select filter. Okay, then select label. From the last date time formatter, map the label, and this date should be equals to the expiration date, which you will find from the iterator. Map it. Okay, now click on save and send test request, and you can see the condition is true. This means now we can send an alert message. Now to send the alert message, we are going to connect WhatsApp here in the Actions tab. And to connect with WhatsApp, we need to have the access of WhatsApp's API or the application programming interface. So we are going to choose Cloud API feature of WhatsApp here in this Actions tab. And with the help of that, we are going to have the access and send messages. So guys, to use Cloud API feature, first of all, you need to connect your number, your WhatsApp number, with the Cloud API of WhatsApp. And to know how to do that, you can watch the video from the description, guys, where we have clearly explained how to connect and use WhatsApp's Cloud API platform for your business. Okay, so do watch that video, set up your Cloud API, and after that select here WhatsApp's Cloud API. Here it is, select it, and the action event, select send template message, then click on connect. And from here, if you are making the connection with the Cloud API of WhatsApp for the very first time, select add new connection option. Here you can rename your connection as well, and here it is asking for the permanent access token of your Cloud API, the phone number ID, and the business account ID. So guys, if you want to know more about these things and how to make connections, you can just click here on this here word written in blue, and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly, and here you will find these two videos. First video is for how to set up the Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. Second is for generating the permanent access token for your Cloud API. And here we have steps along with the screenshots to connect with your WhatsApp Cloud API in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can get to know everything about that from here only. And to find these things, guys, I can show you my Cloud API platform setup. Here it is. You can see I am under Meta for Developers page, and here you can see I have this WhatsApp option, and I am under Getting Started page. So guys, on Getting Started page, first of all you will find a temporary access token. So first they gave you temporary tokens, guys, but these tokens expires in 24 hours. So if you want to run your workflows continuously, you need to generate a permanent access token. So want to know how to generate that? You can watch the video from the description or from this forum page. Here we have a video you can see on how to generate a permanent access token. Okay, so you can follow the steps from this video, and after getting the token generated, you have to keep it safe because we are going to use the same token afterwards also in future. So after getting the token, you have to paste the token here in this field, and you will find the phone number ID here like this. You can just copy it and paste it here. And similarly, you will find this business account ID. Just copy that and paste it here. Okay. And after filling all this data, you just have to click on save, and you will be connected with WhatsApp's Cloud API. Alright. So guys, this connection that you have made here with the help of this add new connection option is going to be saved in your account. And in future, if you want to make the connection again, you can use that same existing connection that you have already connected with Cloud API. So guys, I have made many connections already in different workflows with my Cloud API, so I can use my existing connections. Let me show you how. Here you can see we have this select existing connection option. Just select it, and here you can see it is asking to select your connection. So when you click here, it will show you the list of all the existing connections that you have. From this list only, you can select any of your previous connection. I am selecting this one, and now I just have to click on save, and I'll be connected with my Cloud API setup like this. So we are connected, and here it is asking for the template or the message templates name. So guys, first of all, you need to create some message templates to send messages on WhatsApp, and message templates are pre-created standard message structures that you need to create and get it approved from Facebook. And after that, we can use those templates to send messages to multiple people on WhatsApp. So guys, here you can see I have created a template, which is this one, subscription underscore expiry template. And here you can see the preview of the message. So this is how the message is going to look like when we are going to use this template to send the messages. Here it is saying, hi Roger Binney. This is just a sample person's name. This is a reminder that your subscription plan for Pabbly is about to expire on this date. We hope that you will take the time to renew your subscription plan. Thank you, Pabbly team. Okay. So with the help of this template, we can send alert messages for our library subscription as well. So here I'm going to select my template from this list, which is this one. Okay. So after selecting the template, you will find these fields. So here in this recipient mobile number field, you have to enter the WhatsApp number of the customer to whom you want to send the message. So guys, we have fetched the details of our customer from our spreadsheet here in this previous step, and here we have separated out the data like this with the help of iterator. And here you can see we have this mobile number label here, and this is the WhatsApp number. So I'm going to map this label here, guys, in this step. So just click here, and from this iterator step, map the number like this. Okay. So guys, when you map the labels, what will happen whenever your workflow is going to run, the labels, the numbers are going to change according to the data that you have in your spreadsheet, and new message will be delivered to the new person. And here you can see it is asking for the body fields now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are these things? Let me show you. Here you can see in my message template, in this body box where we have the main body of the message, you can see we have this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 things in double curly braces. So these are called the body fields or the variable tags of our message template. So this means we can change 5 things automatically with every new message. Okay. So here you can see in place of this first body field after hi, I can put the name of the person to whom I'm sending the message. And here you can see this is a reminder that so here I am going to put the the service of which the person have taken the subscription, and here the plan, and here the expiration date. Okay, so we can put these things, and we can change these things automatically and dynamically with every new message. And to get the things changed, you need to map the values of these body fields here inside your workflow. So according to the template, I'm going to map the data. So first body field is for the name of the customer. So you'll find the name from this from the third step. Just click here, and from this iterator step, map the name like this. Okay, second body field, let's see that your library subscription it is. So here I'm putting library member subscription. So here you can put the details of any other subscription that you are selling. And here in the third body field, so here you can see in the second body field I have put membership subscription. In the third body field I have written library, and in the fourth body field, let's see, expire on. Here I'm going to put the expiry date, and you will get the expiry date from the iterator only. This is the expiry date. And here you can put the last body field, you can put the name of your business or your institute or your organization. So here I'm putting Pabbly library. Okay, you can put any other name according to your business. And now you can check your connection with WhatsApp by clicking on save and send test request, and a test message will be delivered to this WhatsApp number. So guys, I can show you the message. I'm going to put my WhatsApp number here manually, and after that I'm going to click on save and send test request, and then I'll show you how the message is going to look like in real time, right? So guys, this is the response we have received by clicking on save and send test request, and you can see we have received a new message on WhatsApp. And the message is this. You can see it is saying, hi, demo name. This is a reminder that your membership subscription for library is about to expire on this date. We hope that you will take the time to renew your membership subscription. Thank you, Pabbly library team. So you can see in place of the body fields that we have here, the data got changed automatically like this. Okay, because we have mapped the data here in these body fields. Okay, so connection is working fine, and we are done setting up the automation. And you have to set up this automation only once, guys. After that, it is going to check this data, and the alert message will be delivered automatically. And guys, the best part is you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.